Assalamualaikum. Dear parents and students, this is me, Miss Madhya Rahman from the Smart School, Sir Syed Ahmed Khan campuses and Gulistani Johar campus. I welcome you all to this tutorial. I hope you all are doing well and safe at home. This video tutorial will help and guide you on how to find all the previous work done up till now. इस वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल की मदद से आप अपना पिछला सारा काम बआसानी देख सकते हैं, ढूंढ सकते हैं. In the previous video, we have also guided you on how to log into your G Suite account with ID and password provided from school WhatsApp number. Every student has received individual ID and password from school. हर बच्चे को एक मखसूस ID और पासवर्ड स्कूल WhatsApp से मिला है जो आपका G Suite अकाउंट है. पिछली वीडियो में मैंने आपको बताया था कि आप अपनी आईडी एंड पासवर्ड से किस तरह लॉगिन कर सकते हैं. इफ़ यू फाइंड एनी डिफ़िकल्टी वी विल शेयर द लिंक इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स बिलो. मैं वीडियो का लिंक फिर से शेयर कर दूंगी ताकि आप बआसानी अपने G Suite अकाउंट को लॉगिन कर सकें. After logging the G Suite account, you will see the first page, that is stream page. आपका stream page सबसे पहले खुलता है जो आपको दिखता है. यहाँ ऊपर there are 4 tabs and you will see classwork. आप अपना classwork tab open करेंगे and on the left hand side all these are your folders, your topics: circular, tutorial, Islamiyat, mathematics, Urdu, SST, science, English, computer, activity and Nazra. These are all the folders और इन folders में respective इनका काम मौजूद है. The topmost folder, the new folder that is updated on the classroom is syllabus covered from 29th June till 25th November 2020. The first day of our session, our class was 29 June and the last working day as per the instruction of Sindh government was 25th November. सो 29 जून से लेकर के 25 नवंबर तक ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में, फिजिकल क्लासेस में, रिकॉर्डेड वीडियो में, होमवर्क में जितना भी काम कराया गया है, ऑल दीज वर्क इज़ अपलोडेड इन दिस फोल्डर. इस फोल्डर में ये सारे काम PDF के फॉर्म में मौजूद है सब्जेक्ट वाइज. As you can see, there is science, copy and book work, English, mathematics, social studies, Sindhi, Urdu, Islamiyat. ये सारे सब्जेक्ट वाइज आपको सारे काम एक PDF फॉर्मेट में मिल जाएंगे. सब्जेक्ट चैप्टर वाइज नहीं होंगे ताकि आप कंफ्यूज ना हो. ये फुल एक PDF बनाया गया है फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट डे टिल द लास्ट वर्किंग डे ऑफ आवर स्कूल. As most of the students जो physical classes में वापस आए थे, teachers have guided them, teachers have helped them to complete their missing work, the previous work, and on the last working day, that was 25th November 2020, most of your copies were checked as well and sent at home as well. But we all know that there are some issues with everyone: internet issue, online facilities and other issues, electricity issue, and because of that you have not covered all your online classes, all your homework that was uploaded on G Suite. That is why we have created this PDF so that you can complete your work with the help of this PDF. इस PDF की मदद से आप अपना काम जो मिस हो चुका है वो complete कर सकते हैं. 80 to 90% of the students have completed. Teachers have checked their copies. It has been sent home. But we all know there will be some students whose work is not complete. So we want to guide them. We want to guide the parents to help their child to complete the work with the help of this PDF. The first PDF you see is syllabus covered of all subject. This is the PDF compiling all the chapters, page numbers, textbook, workbook that we have covered in this टाइम पीरियड. जो हमने डेट्स मेंशन की हैं 29 जून से 25 नवंबर जो हमने कवर कर लिया है. एज यू कैन सी, आप इस PDF को जब ओपन करेंगे, साइंस में वी हैव कवर्ड दिस 6 चैप्टर्स, दीज टेक्स्ट बुक पेजेस आर डन. SST में these chapters are done, these textbook pages are done. So this is the compiled syllabus covered of all the subjects that we have done from 29 June till 25th November. दिस PDF will help you to double check. इससे आप double check कर सकते हैं अपना काम कि आपके पास ये done है या नहीं. If any work is missing, then you will open the respective subject tab. For example, let's see social studies. This is the social studies PDF. You will open the PDF and you can see that every work, all the question and answers are according to the syllabus, according in order. Everything is in order. For example, chapter 1, maps, grid lines. These are the question answers of this chapter. All this PDF is of this chapter. See, so this is all in order. This is chapter 1. Then we have chapter 2. These are the question answers of chapter 2. This is the chapter 3. Now we are checking. So this is all in one PDF. It has all the work done till 25th November. See, all the chapters are in order. All the question answers are in order. In the same way, if you want to check another subject, English work, see, there are 3 PDFs. English grammar work, we all know that you have 2 copies, English grammar, English literature in grade 5. So English grammar copy, English literature copy, and English workbook. So if you open English grammar copy and English workbook, I can show you. This is your English grammar copy. The teacher has mentioned the chapters and poems done in this copy up till 25th November. So these are all the grammar work in order. So you can check your work. If any work is missing, you can complete it by using this PDFs. This is the workbook. As you can see, all the work done is compiled in one PDF in order. So these PDFs will help you to complete your work by chance if any work is not complete. Parents can guide the students how to check and recheck their work. It will be a great help for you. बहुत help हो जाएगी आपकी इससे, and you won't be bothered to message on school WhatsApp number again and again to ask for PDFs. You can find all the PDFs in one single folder. Now, as we all know that we are starting our complete full-fledged online schooling system from 30th November 2020. So I would like to request all the students to please prepare yourself mentally and arrange your things. Set up a study table. अपने घर में एक study corner आप set up कर लीजिए. Be ready at 9 o'clock sharp in the morning with your bag. Complete bag लेकर के बैठिए, complete stationery, and sit in a very neat and clean attire, neat and tidy attire बैठे. I don't want to see anybody sleepy or tired. I want everyone awake, fresh and energized for your classes, just the way you were in your physical classes. We all know that the situation of COVID is getting worse day by day. So we have to take care of ourselves. That is why schools are closed, but we are providing you the online schooling system. So I want you all to get up early in the morning, get fresh, have your breakfast and get ready. Be neat and tidy, be in your neat and tidy attire, sit properly with your complete backpack, with your complete stationery, सब कुछ अपने पास लेकर के टेबल पे properly, कैमरा, मोबाइल, लैपटॉप, जो भी आप डिवाइस यूज कर रहे हैं उसको सेट करके आप बैठ जाइए and enjoy learning from home, because teachers are also excited to teach you, and we have a lot of fun activities, study activities related to our core subject planned for you. So we all want you to be energized and be active for that as well. You can also see there is one folder called circular. In the circular folder you can see there is the new timetable, online class timetable uploaded. if you will open this, you can see this timetable. There are 6 units. So yes student, this is your complete school online school system. You have 6 online classes daily, and you have 2 recorded lecture daily as well. The meeting id is written on the top and the password is also written on the top. इस meeting और id से आप अपनी zoom की live class join करेंगे. Be careful कि आपने meeting id और password बिल्कुल correctly type करना है ताकि आपको कोई issue ना आए. और मीटिंग ज्वाइन करते हुए प्लीज राइट योर प्रॉपर नेम. वहां पे ऑप्शन आता है टू एंटर योर नेम. प्लीज राइट योर प्रॉपर नेम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ योर नेम इज मोहम्मद अली सिद्दीकी, राइट मोहम्मद अली सिद्दीकी, ताकि जब टीचर आपको आपका नाम देखें सो शी कैन easily enter you in your class. It will avoid some errors in delaying in entering you in class, because most of the time mobile device name appears, so that is why enter your proper name. Now as we were discussing the syllabus covered folder, I want to request all the parents that please, as we know that parents and school have to work hand in hand for the betterment of our students, so I would like to request you to guide your child on completing their work. They can use the PDF, they can check the PDF with their copies and complete all the missing work gradually, so that they are with the other students on the pace as well. 30th नवंबर से जब हमारी क्लासेस स्टार्ट होंगी तो थोड़ा सा रिव्यू करके हम आगे अपना सिलेबस फॉरवर्ड मूव करेंगे, ताकि इसी वजह से आपका पुराना काम कंप्लीट होगा तो आप आसानी से आगे हमारे साथ चल सकेंगे. सो आई होप दिस ट्यूटोरियल हेल्प्ड यू अ लॉट. इस ट्यूटोरियल से आप की अच्छी खासी हेल्प हो गई होगी कि आप अपना पुराना काम किस तरह से कवर करेंगे. प्लीज़ टेक केयर ऑफ़ योर सेल्फ, स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ, एंड अल्लाह हाफिज़.